Students, so once again we are going to start with question number 30 of exercise 3b 3.2. So hope you have completed up to question number 29. So now we'll be looking to question number 30, and in 30 it is given if x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. So in the question it is given question number 30 it is given x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. This value is given to us, and we have to find the value of root x plus 1 by x. With this value we have to find root x plus 1 by root x. So I have explained many times that if you have to find a plus b, and in b in this case is 1 by x, root x. In this case is 1 by root x. So I told that whenever you have to find a plus b, means you have to do the square of these numbers, a plus b whole square, and in that way then root. So x value is given to us. We'll be finding 1 by x. 1 by x will be 1 by 5 minus 2 root x, 6. So this is, then we'll be rationalizing. As you are seeing that in denominator root 6 is present, and whenever in denominator an irrational number is present, means you have to rationalize it. That is the use of rationalization, to bring a integer number in the denominator. That's why we use to rationalize. Here we'll be multiplying with 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 plus 2 root 6. We are multiplying with the sign opposite between two numbers. So here this is in the form of a minus b, and this is a plus b. We can write as 5 square, a square minus b square is 2 root 6 square by 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the value. So this is 5 plus 2 root 6, and in denominator we are getting 25 minus 24. 25 minus 24, which is coming out to be 1. So in numerator we will be getting 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the value of 1 by x. So we have to find, but we have to find root x plus 1 by root x. So what we will be doing? Root x plus 1 by root x. Take square of this number. I told earlier also that we have to take square. So this is root x square plus 1 by root x square. A square plus b square. B is here is 1 by root x plus 2ab, 2 into root x into 1 by root x. So root x and root x will be cancelled. Here it will be x plus 1 by x plus of 2. So we are getting the value. We will be getting from here x value is 5 minus 2 root 6. And 1 by x value is 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 2. So 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6 is getting cancelled. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. We are getting equal to 12. We have to find the value of root x plus 1 by x, root x. So we will be taking here root x plus 1 by root x is equal to root of 12, equal to root of 12. I am writing here. So root x plus 1 by, so it will be coming out to be 2 root 3. So this was answer for root x plus 1 by root x. Question number 30. Now we will be moving to question number, we have to see 32. Okay, in question number 32, it is given a plus b plus c equal to 12, and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 100. So this is given to us, a plus b. We have been given a plus b plus c equal to 12, and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 100. So this is given to us. Now we are seeing that three terms are there, a plus b plus c. So we can find a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 12 square. Now we know the value of this. A square plus B square plus C square plus twice of AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 144. So A square plus B square plus C square value is given to us is 100. This value to AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 144. So we are getting AB plus BC plus CA equal to 144 minus 100 divided by 2. 144 minus 100 is 44. 44 divided by 2 is 22. So this is the answer for AB plus BC plus CA. So this is question number 32. Now we'll be solving question number 35. Okay. In question number 35, it is given if A minus B is equal to 7 and A square plus B square is equal to 85. Means first thing is given to us is A minus B equal to 7 and A square plus B square. A square plus B square is equal to 85. This is given to us. So we can find the value. We have to find AQ minus BQ. This value we have to find. Now this is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. So this value we have to find. Now A minus B is given. We are knowing A square plus B square, but one thing is we are not knowing the value of AB. So we'll be finding from A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square if we'll be doing. So we'll be getting 7 square. A square plus B square minus 2AB equal to 49. So A square plus B square is 85 and this value is minus 49 is equal to 2AB. So this is 44 by 2 is equal to AB. So we are getting AB is equal to, we are getting the value of AB which is coming out to be, wait, this is 46. So 46 plus, wait, so we'll be solving once again. This is 49 minus 85 minus 49 is, we are getting equal to 36. So AB by 2, AB will be equal to 18. So this is the value of AB. Now we'll be moving, we have to find the value of AQ minus BQ. So from here we'll be substituting A minus B is 7 and A square plus B square is given to us is 85. A square plus B square is 85 and this value is given to us is, we found is 18. So this is 7 and this is 85 plus 18. 85 plus 18 is 103. So we are getting equal to 721. So from here we are getting the value of AQ minus BQ is 721. So this is question number 35. Now we'll be moving to question number 37. Question number 13. It is given to us is if sum and product of two numbers is are. First is sum of two numbers are given 8 and 15 respectively. First thing is sum is 8. Sum is 8 means A plus B equal to 8. And in the second thing it is given AB. AB is given 15. So we have to find the value of, it is given, find the sum of their cubes. Sum of their cubes means A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube we have to find. For finding A cube plus B cube, we should be knowing the formula. A cube plus B cube is A plus B. A square plus B square minus AB. Now we are knowing the value of A plus B is 8 AB value we are knowing, but A square plus B square is unknown to us. Again we'll be doing from here, as we know that square of A plus B will be containing the value of A square plus B square. So we'll be finding square A plus B whole square is equal to 8 square. So A square plus B square plus of 2AB is equal to 64. So A square plus B square plus 2 into AB is, AB we know is 15 is equal to 64. So A square plus B square is equal to 64 minus 30, which is coming out to be 34. So A square plus B square is 34. Now we'll be substituting in the original equation. A plus B we know is 8. A plus B value is 8, we are knowing, and A square plus B square is 34. And AB value we know is 15. So we are getting 8 into 19, which is coming out to be 152. So this is question number 37. So we have completed this entire exercise. So the remaining questions you have to try, and if you are facing any doubt, so you can ask us in our given WhatsApp group or you can contact us. So thank you.